In this video, we will learn how to read a CSV file. The first question, write a function read books of AU that inputs an author name and prints the names of books written by that author from a file products.csv. So I will first show you what is the content inside products.csv. Products.csv contains book number, book name and author. So this is the book number, this is book name, this is the author. So I am going to ask the user to type an author name and print the names of that books written by the author. Okay. So I have written a function called def books of AU. What is this AU? Author name. So inside the main program, I will ask the user to type an author name and then call the function. And in this function, def read books, I first declare a reader object. We have already seen the syntax for reader object. It is robj equal to csv.reader of file handle. Okay, and for every element in the reader object, what will this ELE contain? ELE will contain the one list of one record. What will this contain? ELE will contain the product ID, book name and author name. Like this, it will be in this form. So ELE of 0 is the book ID, ELE of 1 is book name, ELE of 2 is author name. So I will compare if ELE of 2 is this author. If it is so, I want to print the book name. So which will be ELE of 1. The book name is ELE of 1. So I will type books written by this author. You can give a caption so that books written by this author. So let us check how it works. Enter the author name. I am going to type BBB. The author name AAA. So the book written by this author is this book. When I type BBB, I get this result. So the system will declare a reader object which will get all the records, and every time it will compare the author name with that record and print the book name if they are equal. Okay. The next question, write a program to write product records to a CSV file, read the file and count the products that have price more than 100. So we are going to do reading as well as writing. First writing and then reading. Same products.csv, let it be as such. Now to do this, I should first do writing. Let me remove all this. Just declare a writer object, csv dot writer of. Let us try with hash delimiter. Okay, writer of f comma delimiter equal to hash. After declaring the writer object, let me directly assign the values. wr dot write row of, I will write the product ID, product name 120, product price. Then the next record, I am going to write 5 such records. Let me write 5 such records onto the, without using any loop, I am directly writing it. Okay, 102, 103. Even if it duplicates, it doesn't matter because it is not MySQL. Pouch, mouse, sketch, geometry box. 70, 320, pouches 90. Okay, now we have written 5 records onto the file. After that, the cursor will come at the end. So I should move the cursor to the beginning, right? So once W plus mode opens, the products.csv will become empty. It will be erased, and I'm writing 5 records inside that, and then place the cursor in the beginning so that I can read the records. So before I read it, I should have a reader object. So csv dot reader of file handle, and not only that, the delimiter I should use because I have declared hash as the delimiter. Once I do this, for element in the reader object, I should check if price is more than 100 and count it. So count equal to 0. How to check if price is more than that? If element of 2 is greater than 100. Now the problem is, when you read a record from a CSV file, all the records will be in the form of a string. So if you want to change it to a number, convert it to integer and then check if it is more than 100. If it is so, right, count plus equal to 1. And then print number of records more than price 100. Price more than 100 and print the count of records. Okay. So first, so it says price more than 100 is 3. Why? I have 120, 320, 220. If you want to print the names also, let me print that too. ELE of 1, which will give the name. See? Pen, mouse and geometry box. So this is how you read records from a CSV file. Hope you understood. Thank you.